how to make a 2x1 flush piston door in Minecraft. So the door will look like this. So first, just get any block that you want, and we are gonna make a structure that will be looking like this, and for of course the other one, which is right here. And just close it all up. Now once it's done, just enter this block and get your sticky piston and put it 2 blocks away. So 1, 2, put it right there. So we'll make 2 of those, make 1 more which is placed just right here, and make 2 more right there. So it should be looking like that. Now get another block and put it here on this side, and just put the lever right there. Now once we're here, just go back at where the lever is. So we're not now here. Now just remove these blocks right here at the bottom, so it should look like that, and dig up more. So 4 blocks more, it should be looking like that. And now we're just gonna close this up right here. I'm just gonna add some more blocks right there, just like so. Should be looking like that. Now once you're here, you simply need to take another block and put it just right behind the lever and the block right here, and put another one here at the bottom. Now just destroy this other block. Now get your repeater and just place it just right here. So it should be looking like that. The repeater should be looking like that. Now put some redstone dust here, and also put some redstone dust here at the bottom. And put 1 more here. So just put another block just beside this repeater, just like so. Now just simply put another redstone dust right here, going up just like so. And now we're gonna add 1 more block and add our repeater that should be facing like that, and just click on it once, just like so. So it should be looking like this. Now the next thing we want to do is just sort of loop around the structure right here. So I'm just gonna add 1 block again right here, then 3 blocks here at the bottom. So this will basically look like this. Now just put the redstone dust again, so it's sort of loop it in right here. Now once it's done, just go back and now just choose the color of the door that you want, and just put it right there. Now just simply open up the lever, and it will just close like that, and when I click on it again, it will now open. So as you can see, that's how the structure works. This I basically make a 2x1 flush piston door in Minecraft.